Hey, this is Mark Hess, and in this video, I'm going to show you how a plugin that Michael Thomas and I developed solves a huge problem that affects all marketers and bloggers. Then I'm going to show you in real time how fast and easy it is to use our plugin. You guys are going to love this. Now, the problem with many legal page type plugins or quick install type plugins that contain legal pages is that the pages they generate are pretty much garbage, to be honest with you, and they're not suitable for people to use on their sites. So what we did is secured rights to high quality, professionally written legal compliance and disclaimer pages and packaged them into one plugin so you can install them with one click on any WordPress powered site. But then we took it further, giving you different display options for those pages and combining it with a built-in EU disclaimer bar and drag and drop FTC disclaimer to make what is really an all-in-one plugin that we call the Legal Suite Pro for WordPress. So you will not only help protect yourself, you will look more professional and credible. So I'm just going to show you the plugin in action really quick and show you how fast it is to get all these legal disclaimers up and running on your site. And then I'm going to go through and show you each of the features kind of individually. So I'm just going to start a online stop clock, and then we could come back over to our site, going to enable all of these pages, and I'm going to enable the cookie bar, click Save Changes. From there, I'm going to Page Creator, and then we can generate all of these pages as well and have them on my site. And then we can go to Appearance, Widgets, and then I'm just going to go ahead and drag my FTC disclaimer widget over there and click Save. Now we are done. 32 seconds it took us to put all of the legal disclaimers that we need onto our website. Now I'm going to take you through and show you the features of the plugin. So if we go back to our main menu, you can see you need a license key and then the site name. This can be just the name of your site. And then the support URL. The support URL can be where people contact you. And then if we want to enable one-click legal page, now this is just going to be one page on your site that sits outside of your theme that you can link to from anywhere. So then you just choose a path, and then this is what it looks like. So you can link to this one page, and it's going to contain all of your legal disclaimers and notices. But at the same time, if we click on Page Creator, we can also see that these pages were also generated on your site within your theme, so you can actually link to these from your menu. So if I click all pages, you can see that all of them were created on my website. Now, if we go back here and we can enable the cookie bar, we can change the background color of it. You can customize the disclaimer text, the text color, the button text, and also the button color as well. So you would just click Save Changes, have all those, and then the appearance. All I did here was drag this FTC disclaimer widget right into my sidebar and then click Save. So now this is what it looks like on your website. So if we just visit the site and then scroll down, here's the FTC disclaimer widget. And right here underneath is the cookie bar right here. So someone would just click, I understand, and then you're good to go. Now, you would also have all of these pages on your site. And also, if you go to any of these pages, you can view each one individually, and it goes with your theme. So it's very awesome stuff. It's that fast. It's that simple to use. Again, all the legal forms were professionally written, so you're getting professional written legal pages that you can use on your site. So our Legal Suite Pro plugin is the real deal. Now, the regular price of this plugin is $47 for an unlimited site license. When we release it as an evergreen product, that's going to be the price. People can use it on all of their sites for $47. I shot this video and we created a special page to give all of you watching it a big time discount. We feel it's important that all of you get your hands on this today. You can try risk-free. We offer an unconditional money-back guarantee. You get instant access after purchase. You get support, training, lifetime updates are all included. There's no reason why you shouldn't scroll down and pick up your copy right now while this offer is still live. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the members area.